की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल तेरे समय के लिए, वजूद भी इन तलाश में है, वजूद भी तलाश में है. Good afternoon and a warm welcome to everyone present here today. I, C.A. Navni Bhartiya from Agra, congratulate NIRC of ICI for organizing such a wonderful program on women empowerment. And therefore, I could not have chosen a better topic than this. Women, the symbol of Shakti. My first question to the lovely audience is, why since Satyug, Sita Maya, till Kalyug, Nirbhaya have become the victims of this patriarchal society? My second question to ponder upon, are only men responsible for such degradation, or even women are contributing for the same? If I talk about the Rigvedic times, women enjoyed a lot of independence and freedom. To name a few, Gargi, Maitri, Lopamudra contributed in angle to the society. But as the centuries passed by, women were curtailed in parda, deprived of freedom, property, and even life. And what have we come to in this 21st century? As per the recent statistics, 70% women face sexual harassment in offices and in public. 88% women have suffered from verbal abuse, and less than 8% women report to the police. What are the factors that are contributing for the same? Ignorance, lack of education, male dominance, chauvinism, no independence, no police, no rules and regulations. But most importantly, we as women have given up. We have thrown down our weapons. How many of us have heard to return homes before the sunset because it is not safe outside? How many of us have learned to ignore the public comments made upon us? How many of us walk down the streets with low heads because we know a lot many eyes are staring at us? We have forgotten how to live life. And someone has rightly said, do not try to change the world. Be the change you want to see in the world. And despite all these hurdles, there are few women who have contributed like anything. Indira Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Geeta Phogat, Sumitra Mahajan, the Lok Sabha Speaker and the longest serving women member right now in the Parliament. Chitra Mahakrishna, the First Lady CEO and MD of National Stock Exchange. Chhavi Rajawat, the First Lady Sarpanch, and the list goes on and on and on. And if I mention about our ICI, we have witnessed millions of girls topping our CA final exams. But again, I have a question here. Despite having more than 50,000 CA women in India, why most of us choose not to work and just restrict ourselves to the post-married lives? Why can't we contribute something to our profession, both financially and socially? Why can't we be a support to each other and helping, guiding through jobs, practice, and if nothing else, just the moral support? Why can't we prove the statement wrong कि एक औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है, and instead of that एक औरत ही औरत की सच्ची दोस्त, सहेली, हमदर्द होती है? Here I would like to mention a short story about a lady whom you do not know. A lady who lost her husband 10 years ago in a road accident, and in front of her were 2 young daughters and a mother-in-law bedridden. She decided to break the rules of the society and asked her daughters to perform the last funeral rites for the father. She was not professionally qualified like any of us, but still, she worked day and night just to make her daughters stand on their own feet. And today, one of her daughters stands as a qualified chartered accountant and company secretary. Yes, I am that daughter. And I am talking none other than about my mother, Mrs. Pulvati Bhartiya, who just did not impart herself a decade ago, but rather the generations to come. And ma'am, you. Yes, you also. And yes, every one of us today have contributed something to the women empowerment. Because today, you decided to step out of the houses after performing all your family responsibilities. Today decided that we are going to make some memories for lifelong. Today you decided to live a life for yourself. In the end, I would like to conclude in my own words. I have a dream, a desire, my heart filled with the endless fire. My life may be full of ups and downs, but I still have a desire to wear the bejeweled crown. To live my life my way. Happiness in heart in whatever I say. I have a dream, a desire, my heart filled with the endless fire. Thank you.